Here's how to turn on read receipts in Gmail using Google Workspace, updated for 2026. Before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, it's important to know that Gmail read receipts only work with Google Workspace accounts. They are not available for personal Gmail accounts. Open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select See All Settings. Stay in the General tab and scroll down until you find Email Read Receipts. Select Allow Email Read Receipts to be sent. Then choose whether you want receipts sent automatically or only after approval. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Your read receipts are now enabled. When writing a new email, click the three dots at the bottom right. Then select Request Read Receipt before sending. And that's it. Subscribe for more Gmail tips and short step-by-step guides.